Perfect. Hi everyone, happy to be here. Let me talk about NFTs a little bit. So, my name is Alexei Falin. I'm running Rarible. It's one of the biggest infrastructure providers in NFT space and also one of the biggest marketplaces. So, let me start with some questions that I'm hearing a lot recently, like what's going on with NFTs, are NFTs are dead or something. So let me give you a little bit of a background why they not gonna be dead anytime soon and will be in the space for as long as space will be alive is just because blockchain itself gives us only one really only one value proposition, which is guarantee that digital item is unique. So it goes with coins, and now we can't double spend. So we just can spend only once because we know the provenance of each coin. So this is how we got all the money markets and programmable money markets and DeFi and everything. So now same goes for NFTs. NFTs works the same way. Blockchain guarantees that some picture or digital item which is unfungible, non-fungible is unique. So meaning that everything which is non-fungible and will be represented in the blockchain will be in the way in the form of NFTs. So the whole market started from digital art, which is very straightforward value proposition. It's just the picture and from artists, and it's unique. Then we saw a lot of PFPs and PFP, like a profile picture, like Bored Apes. They depreciated in price a lot within last several years. So now we're seeing a lot of new stuff coming on the market, which are not only PFPs. Okay, it's also RWAs. A lot of these things are coming. So everything which will be tokenized and represented on the blockchain and non-fungible, like any items, digital items, they all comes in the form of NFTs. So to be able to work with these instances, we need infrastructure. So this is what we do. We do indexers and metadata storages and consumer products on top of this infrastructure. So we powering our consumer products, but also many brands and many other teams in Web3 space who want to build anything with NFTs. So short couple words about us. Yes, we run the Rarible.com marketplace and we work with biggest brands in the space on top of their experience. Web3 like NFT experiences. Really good examples of our partners will be McFarlane Toys, Mattel, and Forbes. So McFarlane and Mattel is one of the biggest toy companies. McFarlane owns the Superman and Batman and all this like comics IP, and they are dropping NFTs for pure collectible use case for about couple years now, and this is very successful. They have their own audience. It's a low price point, same as for toys, and people love to collect this in digital way. Same goes for Mattel. They known for Barbies, and actually the better collection will be a Hot Wheels, because it's anyway. So Hot Wheels, it's like a small cars. So this collection is very popular, and people trade. They did like $10 million within last year with in the like highest bear market. They sold NFTs for $10 million. And that's completely separate audience. It's people who like to buy their items like in physical way. They also, some portion of this audience, collect in digital way. Also, we are the most cross-chain, so we support 30 chains now, and the goal for us is to be able to support any NFT on any chain. So we keep adding chains, and last couple years was pretty high on new chains. So we adding all this. We support EVM, virtual machine chains, SVM, Solana virtual machine, and Move-based chains. Um, yeah, so this is in short what we provide as an infrastructure layer. It's an index of all events. That's very important thing. So basically, on every chain, every blockchain, all events related to NFTs, what happens like transfers, mint events, we all index all this and provide this data in easy to use format. Okay, so I will skip some slides. A little bit more about NFTs. It's really cornerstone of digital identity now. Digital collectibles are also amazing in a way that we know them now because they are not only about speculation, they're about ownership and belonging. And this is a very like a fundamental use case for them. So that makes brands like toy companies successful because people don't really buy these items to sell it for higher price. They buy it to just collect all items in one collection, and people trade between each other to collect like the full set. And also, it's like a lot of brand awareness. This is how brands use NFTs, and this is how it helps now to bring adoption forward. Some biggest brands who are in crypto these days. Yes, and some use cases. This is from what we do. It's Mattel case. I already talked about this. A little bit of McFarlane, so also great use case. So more than 5,000 community marketplaces, meaning that projects running on top of our infrastructure. That's great to see. And yes, that's it for today, and I can answer some questions. Okay, guys, any questions? No? Okay. Thanks, everyone.